Man don't bath him wife with acid. My people, this one they come straight from Ghana. Acid they hot. My people, as I dey talk to now, we still dey on top this matter. Ask me why? Because we need to know wetin the wife do. We go warrant this kind wahala. But make I shock una first. First of all, I don't know issue where these two people get. The man drive the woman comot. He say may leave him house. Say he no do again. Plenty talk. So the woman too packing things. He go back to his father house. Una no know wetin happen next, my people. This woman dey in papa house. Okay, name na Florence, yes. She dey in father house, so the husband come pretend like say you don't repent, you don't change, you no go do am again. And so he come the father house, so start to apologize to the father. Say you no go do am again, you don't come back for his wife, my people. And so this woman enter bedroom. They say she been dey bath. Where I don't even know where the father can't go, whether he go kitchen or he go in room. I don't know, this man just sneak, enter the bathroom where this woman they bath, pour an acid. As I dey talk to Nana, this woman, I bet put her. Hey. She's in a serious, delicate, and in fact complicated condition. But thank God, police don't arrest her. Even though no be even enough this thing, because if not me, this man need more than arrest. Leave up. Just imagine, my people, the foolish and heartless human being. I don't understand. Some people get mind though. You enter person papa house. You leave your house. If not their house, now this thing happen. No, not bad thing, but the gravity, no gravity, the way gravity like now. You don't understand what we they talk. You chase the woman, come out. You go in father house, you still go meet her for in father house, say you won't kill her. What did this woman do? No, you know that, sir. I don't really think since. What can this woman do to warrant? You understand? They try think. Cheat himself is too. I don't understand. Even if person cheats, he no reach this thing. Even if this woman cheats, lie, I bet may nobody even tell me that one. Waiting. No be you born this woman. She get parents. And you don't even get respect to that extent. You don't even consider say, okay, this woman parents they deal. Now only arrest. Now still say when I go arrest this man. Person go die only in the name of marriage. Person go die only in the name of husband. People when no get husband, they cry, they pray up and down for husband. Those we can't get now, they still enter trouble inside. Be like say they go also mistakenly pour this man acid. No, I just think I no talk anything. Because some people now people imagine if this thing now can become law. Imagine say now law say anything where you do, like we dey talk about criminal things now, anything where you do now like that they go also do you. Just imagine, see, people go stop some kind things because the fear alone say if I rape this person now they go rape me. That fear go live inside them. Before they go do something, they go start to think, okay, make I do this one, make I know. You understand? Obviously, this our generation. Conscience don't finish. No conscience. The people before, if man even one beat his wife, before they fear. If man won't do something before they fear. Now, everybody just, you don't understand, we they live in this kind of world, this I don't care world. Everybody just they do the work. You don't send this woman away. He no do you. You send her away, he no do you. Whether she cheated or whether you which I bet me person just tell me which other crime woman feel do. Because this woman not sure says she keep person. Send her away. Even if you no love her again, acid. Hey, Chineke me. I just the pray say this woman will survive. My people, you don't understand. For bathroom, so una suppose no say she been there naked. So imagine, just imagine this thing now. I pray say she survive, because if this woman no survive, this man too must not survive. Yes, How you go take person life? See, nowadays everybody just dey take law into their own hands. Everybody has become judge. Everybody is now police. Everybody, in fact, no arrest this man again. Make dem no just arrest am. So that you go know how e feels. Bros, they suppose give you the taste of this same medicine wey you give this woman, so that you yourself, in your next word, before you do something, you go think. Even if this woman offend you to the highest order, she get family. So why you no report to the parents? Why not report to the parents? Or at least involve police. If worse come to worse, make police enter inside the matter. You just go carry. Hey, now wow, my people born for year. Una go still know wetin the woman do, because we still dey on the matter. But I no fit wait. I say I go bring am come una side as e dey hot. My fellow Ghanaians, yes, now from this one, in fact, now from una side I bring this one. So I beg anybody wey get idea of wetin this woman do, you fit start dey tell us ahead of time. But if not, my people, now for here una go still hear the latest update. Yes, una go soon get new presenter for this platform, so make una get ready. And I go give una a tip of who the person be from Southeast State. So guess who? And drop am for that comment section. Still drop the comment for this massive story, because we need know wetin happen and wetin you think concerning this matter. Why not share this video? Our fellow Ghanaians, oh, I beg, make una share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen as e dey hot. And click on that notification bell too. If not, you go miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.